Yo, what's going on, everybody? Oh, okay. All right, camera, figure it out. Damn, okay. So look, here's what we got going on. We're gonna start right into this stuff with the F-150, okay? We're gonna make it brief. We got a 17 F-150 Lariat. Right now, it does not have window deflectors. And I decided we need to change that, but I wanted to try something different. Everyone always knows WeatherTech makes some wild stuff. They do a great job. And I've seen a bunch of things and then I've had them on my car. But today, we are gonna try out the Goodyear version. Oh my goodness, I panned down, you didn't see it. All right, come on. So anyways, Goodyear has come out with their own set of window deflectors. And they're supposed to be shatterproof. You can bend them and a bunch of other cool stuff. This is what the box looks like. So we're gonna put them on there. And I figured, since like probably most people, you like to look up a video to try to see if there's any information about it. Here we go. Let's open this box. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get this box opened. Let's see what we got here. Okay. See if there's anything else in here. I hear something clicking. Okay, so we got some clamps. And it looks like I got a Goodyear license plate frame. Okay. I don't know why I need this, but hey, it looks like if you order a set, they give you license plate frames. How dope is that? All right, let's get these out. Okay, got the first bag open. Let's go step 2. Okay, so first thing they did is they separated everything. It's nicely labeled right and right. And I guess we'll start on the right side of the truck and we'll go from there. And I guess I'll read the instructions. Okay, instructions say make sure they're clean, lower them side, clean the inner channel, place a small section of the transparent protective tape onto the flat surface of the metal bracket as shown in the picture. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is going to be really similar to how WeatherTech's go in, so let's set it up. Okay, first you're going to add the protective tape to these two. They look like this. Everyone else looks like that. Okay, that's in there. Let's get number 2. So lower the rubber seals close to the bracket. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. All right. I probably need my keys for this now that I think about it. So when you do this install, grab your keys so you can roll down the windows. Okay, we got the windows down. We got the little, what do you call this thing? Little clip right there is in. So that's cool. We're gonna unwrap this and get it up on the car. Okay. Now, we put it in. Lower the front part onto the deflector as shown. I say, okay. Slide it in there. Okay. There we go. And he's messing it up. I'm like, this shouldn't be difficult. Theoretically. There we go. Now you're in. Okay, make sure the deflector is fully placed in the frame, bending the outward detector outside. Okay. You bend this out, and you slowly work this back in until it sits all snug like that. Now, one thing I will say, that is actually significantly easier than WeatherTech's because theirs are super stiff and don't like to bend. This made that a lot easier. We're gonna check the instructions, starting with the front window channel. Insert it into the channel, adjust it to its position. To ensure better insulation, the deflector between the tape and the surface is strong recommended to use the plastic blade, moving it slowly between the window's inner rubber seal and the deflector. So that's this. So they want you to go up in here and just, I mean, you can't really see it, but you're essentially just running this like this in between the seals. And for the rear deflectors, okay, that's just for the rears? Wonderful. Okay, so that's the front end. And we're gonna go grab the rear. I'll be right back. So you got the rear. You're gonna take off your tape. All this stuff right here. Dispose of it properly or throw it in the trucks for someone else to take care of later, which will probably be yourself. Now, for the rear, they want you to take this tool they gave you, slide it up in here, pull it out like that, okay? That's all you're doing. Pull that out. Then you're gonna take these, just a little clamp thing, and that is gonna go right in where you put it, okay? So you got the metal piece down, you're pulling down the rubber, you just slide this where you got it, up and in. And you're done. It's one. So you do that one, and you do this one. Now those are in. You take your deflector, because you took the tape off of it, and again, you just, oh sorry, do the front side, slide this over here, and you can just slide them in like that and you're done. Yep. So that's it. And pretty much those clips you just put in are just an extra assurance that this doesn't pull out, which it can very easily do. We're gonna consult the instructions, make sure you're actually doing this shit fucking right. Okay, you did that wrong. Okay. All right, so you've got the clips in here. You're gonna take this, and this goes, oh, well, you slide it in here. And then you're gonna go over that clip you put in and slide this up. So you are over the clip. So you should not be able to see, the clip up here. If you see the clip little pieces right here, you put it in the wrong way. You gotta go underneath, okay? And then you look at it, you admire your work, you make sure your windows need to go up and down, which they will, and that's it. That's how you install the Goodyear window deflectors on your F150, Supercab or Supercrew. The rules for the back are the same. Either way, hope this is helpful. And yes, for everyone asking, the Highlander is gone because now we have the truck that you see me working on now. So in any case, have fun out there, enjoy your deflectors, go race.